One trained engineer makes a weekly salary of $986. How much does that trained engineer earn in a year? So we need to solve 986 multiplied by 52 in order to figure out what the yearly salary of the trained engineer is going to be. I'm going to show you 3 ways to solve this problem. The first way is called traditional algorithm. This is how, when I was in 5th grade, I learned to multiply. I'm going to color code this to make it a little bit easier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the ones in red. And so the ones here in 52 are 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. Regroup the 1. 2 times 8 is 16 plus the 1 makes 17. Regroup the 1. 2 times 9 is 18 plus the 1, 19. Since I'm multiplying by tens now, I'm going to get a different color. And I'm also going to put a 0 in the place for the tens. Because this does not mean 5, it means 50. So I have to put a 0 down here, right here, in order to hold that place. Then I start multiplying. 5 times 6 is 30. Regroup the 3. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3 is 43. Regroup the 4 from 40. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is 49. And now I need to add my red plus my green, my 1 times plus, so this stands for 2 times 986, and this here stands for 50 times 986. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 0 is 7, 9 plus 3 is 12, regroup the 1, 9 plus 1 is 11, regroup the 1, 51,272. And this is the TA, or traditional algorithm. The next one I want to show you is the distributive property, or area, or rectangle. So what I do is I take 986 and I split it apart into 980 and 6. Okay, and that's how long my rectangle is. And I divide it. And then I take 52 and I divide it into 50 and 2, and then I divide it. So what I've done is I've taken a huge rectangle, 986 long by 52 tall, and I've divided into 6 smaller rectangles. Okay? And then what I do is I look above and below each rectangle, or above and to the side of each rectangle. And in this particular rectangle I have 950. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 900 times 50. Above to the side, 80 times 50. Above to the side, 6 times 50. Oops, I got to get that back in there. 6 times 50. Okay? And I go above here, 900, to the side here, 2. So 900 times 2. Above this one, does anyone want to help me here? Above, what do I have above?
80.
What do I have to the side?
2.
Good. So I've got 80 times 2 goes in here. What do I have above the last one?
6.
What do I have to the side of the last one? So I have 6 times 2.
80 times 6.
Nope, you're right. Yep. See? 2, and then 6 times 2. All right. Now, I just solved these math facts. 9 times 5 is 45. I have to add 3 zeros. 8 times 5 is 40, and I have to add 2 zeros. 6 times 5 is 30, and I have to add a 0. 9 times 2 is 18, add 2 zeros. 8 times 2 is 16, add 1 0. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? Now what I need to do is add these all up, and what I kind of like to do is do it maybe sort of combine these two rectangles first. So I would do 45,000 plus 1,800. 00864. Then I would do 4,000 plus 160. 0614. Then I would do 300 plus 12, which equals 312. Then at the end I got to put it all together. So 46,800 plus 4,160 plus 312. Okay. 2, 7,
That would be
12. That's 1. Regroup the 1. 51,272.
You put the comma in the wrong place.
Oh my goodness. There we go. Now,
Try to do some
lattice.
lattice.
986,
I know. 52.
52. And I'm separating each place value, and then I'm going to make my slides,
Whee!
my adding slides. These diagonal things have to go through each corner, so that corner and that corner. Okay, if they don't go through the corners, this isn't going to work for you.
Not really.
You have to set it up correctly. Okay, now you just do times facts. What's above here and to the side here? 9 times 5, so I put 45 like this. 8 times 5 is 40, goes in there like that. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 times 2 is 16. And 9 times 2 is 18. Now, each slide is its own addition. So this is 2.
1.
This, no, but
Oh, that's a 6.
yeah, this is 7. This is 2 regroup, so I'll just put a little 1 right here because I gotta carry the 1 or regroup the 1. This is 11. Regroup the 1. That's 5. 51,272. 3 ways to multiply, all the same answer.
Yay.